What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. It's Dear Claire, and today we are going to be doing a thrift haul. I'm super excited because I found some really good things at the thrift store. So one of the things that I purchased from the thrift store is actually this zip up sweater. It's from Nautica via thrift store, but it's super cute. It's really cozy. It has like a fleece lining right here, and it's cream. Just a quick tip: when you're going to the thrift store, make sure that, you know, if you're really trying to find something, make sure you have that idea in your mind, because if not, then you're probably going to be stressed out and looking throughout the whole store, and it can pretty much be overwhelming, because depending on the thrift store, it may or may not be organized. So one thing that I try to do is I try to find like the trend that I'm looking for. I try to keep the trend that I'm looking for in the back of my mind, or I just go with like a Pinterest like look, or go with like pictures, some style inspirations like in the back of my head, just because it can be overwhelming. So yeah, I was looking out for items that were beige, sage green. I was looking out for coats, puffer jackets, corduroy, just, you know, the trends of 2020. I just made sure that that's what I was looking out for, and that kind of made my journey a little bit easier, because if it wasn't it, I wasn't buying it and I wasn't looking at it. So on to the next item. This is one of the trends for 2020. I found a lot of these on Boohoo, Pretty Little Thing, for going for like 25 bucks. I got this for maybe $4. So this is something that I was looking for. I was looking for a nice, cute purse. I got this purse and from Goodwill. I got all of these things from Goodwill, but this particular purse, I thought it was super cute, very 90s, early 2000 vibes I'm getting right here. This was only $5, and I was just like, oh, this is such a cute hand purse. It's really sturdy. And I was looking out for handbags, crossbody bags and stuff like that. I haven't come across a nice crossbody bag yet, but I'm still looking for one. But yes, you know, I was looking for a midi coat or maxi coat. I purchased these from two different Goodwills. The first one was $6. I actually got the inspiration from this picture I'm going to put somewhere on the screen. And when I saw that picture, I was like, oh my God, I need this coat. This coat is everywhere. Like, and when I tried this coat on, some dude was like, if you don't get that coat, I will. I guess he was getting it for his lady.
Never understand the things that we want. Why do you keep coming back? I want love, you don't. No. So why are you here? Yeah. I should take it back.
So this next piece is another half zip up. I had to get it. This is Ralph Lauren. I took a couple of pictures in this already, and I was like, oh my God, I love the fact that it's two different colors right here. It's like a light, you can't really see it, but it's cream, and then it's this soft beige right here. Again, another half zip up, very 90, early 2000 inspired. And I was like, oh, it's super cozy. Again, I got this in the men's section. So definitely check out the men's section, because that's where you're going to find all the jewels. Okay, here is yet another zip up. This is more so like a jacket. This is a jacket, actually. It has Gap on the back. Very vintage looking. Again, it has a hoodie. This will be cute, like if it's like a nice breezy day, light rain. So this is another one. I got this, I think I paid about $4 for this. I will probably use this if I'm going to the movies, because you can stash candy in here You can stash candy on the side pockets. Beautiful soft cream sweater. It's super soft. This sweater I saw on prettylittlething.com. Also seen it on Boohoo as well. This sweater has a part where it scrunches up and you can tie in the middle. This was $2. So yeah, it was really nice, comfortable. I was like, I can't give this up. So I was looking for like a lot of creams, beige, because I know that's the top color for the season. Yeah, moving on. Okay, so again in the men's section, so I found these two plaid shirts. I can't wait to style these shirts. I've seen these shirts all over Instagram. So plaid or tartan shirts are coming back. You can pair them with turtlenecks, a gold chain, some baggy sweats, and some like white sneakers or what have you. But this nice plaid, it's like it has your beige. It also has like a gray streak in it. And I've seen a couple of stylists style this, so I was just like, gotta have this cuteness in my wardrobe. Another zip up sweatshirt.
No, so why are you here? Yeah, I should take it back.
This was like one of my top favorite purchases. This coat right here. This coat is warm, it is wool, but look at this pattern right here. This pattern, I was just like, I love it. I love black and white coats, and it fits to the T.
There's only one thing left to do. My heart is breaking, wanting you, so I'll say goodbye. Let's put the sun back in.
So that's all I have for you guys today. Comment down below and let me know if you liked any of these pieces. I hope I was able to inspire you to go to the thrift store. I hope you be blessed always. Bye.
Tired of crying.